My name is Aina Chamir, and I am the owner of Aina Chamir Enterprise. My shop is located at Patamukri, Dimapur. For the last 20 years, I was using only traditional method on handloom. But when I heard about Nilit Dimapur, I attended Nilit Digital Intervention Program on handloom. Aro ito pichide, amilaka products kan bishi improve kurishe, kilewele ami bishi tati learn kurishe. Aro itiado, amilaka customers kan bishi kushi ase, tar kan bishi appreciate kuri ase, moilaka products de. Aro Nilit pra develop kura, credit card application de, ami bi ekta vendor nishina, registered kuri gana, amilaka products kan sell kuri ase, sales to bishi phala ase. And I'm so happy for that, and I'm very much thankful to Nilit and Ministry of Electronics and IT, Government of India. Thank you.